Bangalore over the last decade has significantly scaled up its performance on economic and real estate landscape of the country. The market has so much potential that it continues to attract global institutional players on both demand and supply side. And therefore, it wouldn't be wrong to say that the performance of this market defines the outlook on the country's real estate market. In 2019, Bangalore office market recorded transactions of 15 million square feet, capturing a fourth of transaction share in the country's office market. Bangalore was on track to record new peaks in 2020. Similar was the performance in case of its residential market, and therefore when the pandemic came, it initially shook the market but now reinforces the strength of this city. When the pandemic hit us unannounced, activities came to a standstill. Households and corporates alike just stopped venturing out, put decisions on hold, and this ensured a little standstill in the market. And therefore, it is not surprising that transaction activity got delayed in the interim because of the lockdowns. But now, as we look at the performance in quarter 4, we have a set of performance which is far ahead of cumulative performance of this year after the initial disturbances of the pandemic and the associated disturbances of the lockdown. Q4 2020 presents a stupendous performance in market activity. Transactions in Q4 2020 are better even compared to the same period last year. Cumulative performance of the first 3 quarters also pales down in front of this period, and we think this is a momentum which is likely to continue. A host of factors have played a role to ensure this stupendous performance. Firstly, occupiers which had temporarily put their occupancy plans on hold have now reactivated their plans. Global tech majors and other large corporates are now taking decisions basis their long-term strategic plans on office occupancies. In fact, large occupiers are particularly confident about their business plans and they are signing up, making forward commitment for spaces which are yet under construction. In case of residential market, there were similar set of disturbances initially. But now over the last 4-5 months, what we have seen is a remarkable improvement in performances. And this is without any policy intervention. Q4 2020 performance shows a remarkable improvement. There is an improved consumer perception towards owning bigger and better houses. Home buyers are preferring ready to move in apartment with better amenities, and this has helped larger developers with gated community projects. Additionally, unlike other industries which saw a lot of income disruption, the information technology sector, which is the backbone of the Bangalore market, was relatively better placed. It maintained its job levels and income scales compared to the pre-COVID levels. This added further resilience to the market. And in 2021, as the resolution for the pandemic brings normalcy, we expect the market to scale new peaks. And that is something to look forward to in this market. In 2021, as the pandemic resolution brings normalcy, we expect the market to scale new peaks. And that is something to look forward to in this market.